welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl andjeleanemichelle here, and in today's video I will be doing a wig review on this wig by the name of Trissa that I am wearing. I hope you guys enjoy this video, so please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Hey guys, so when I first took this wig out of the packaging, it was like how every synthetic wig is. It was shaped weird, formed weird. So I just had to take my wand and just flatten it down, and I added just a little bit of concealer right here just to give it a natural look and to have it blended to my skin. And you guys, I must say that I really do like this unit. I love how it moves, but I can say that this is not an everyday wig. This is a wig where you're just going out with some friends really quickly, not doing anything crazy, and then you just put it on, because if you hold this hair in a ponytail or you try to do too much with it, it will tangle up. I'm running my fingers through it. It's not shedding. This is like literally my second time wearing it. And I feel like another thing that starts to make it tangle even more is the more you brush it, the more this wig, you know, kind of like tangles. But it does look very shiny on camera, and in person it's not as shiny, but it still has like a nice shine to it, a nice new shine, like you just got your hair pressed out. I love the wave pattern, and I love how the hair is just super duper bouncy. That's another thing that I really do love about this unit. And I love how like the front pieces, these pieces that are cut like that are like right here, they're super soft compared to the piece that's in the back. You know what I'm saying? Like the one that's in the back is just, it's like whatever, I was just placed here. But these up here is extremely, extremely soft. As I'm putting my hands through it, I don't know if I said this before, I'm not experiencing any shedding. Like I know with other wigs, if I cut the lace, it'll shed everywhere. And this one didn't shed at all. I really do like this one. It's very simple, easy to throw on and easy to style. The stock card, it's way more curly. Look at that, compared to my hair. I would say this wig is big head friendly because I have a really big head. So it is big head friendly. And I'm trying to see what else. Oh y'all, let me show y'all the sides. This is a side, a back. Let me put the head to the back. Another side. One side in the front, one side in the back. This is really a nice unit. I love it so much. So we're gonna flip it to the front. I love wigs like this, y'all. What you want, what you need. Okay, y'all. All I'm asking for a little respect. That's how it make me feel. So you guys, this wig review has came to an end. If there's anything that I didn't talk about or cover, you guys can drop questions down below or comments, and then I will get back to them. But you guys, will I be purchasing this wig again? I don't know. It just depends on how I'm feeling about it. And I mean, I like it. I'll probably do like a different color, but I feel like I say that almost like every video of me trying out a wig. I'd be like, I like it, I might get another color, blah, say blah. But you guys, I really do like this wig. I would try it out in another color, like a lighter color, like a brown or whatever. But I don't know. Like, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys want this wig? Would you guys buy this wig? Would you guys try out this wig? I don't know, but thank you so much for all your love and support, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.